Hi, my name is Arnima. I am from India. I just completed my 200 hours teacher training course at Vinyasa. For me, this was a really great experience. It came to me like an opportunity which was knocking at my door, and I thought to grab it up. This was also like a much needed break for me. The teachers here are great. Apart from what you learn about yoga and the postures and the history and the philosophy of yoga, you also get to learn new art forms of yoga like sound healing, aerial yoga, and then you also get a chance to visit Rishikesh and basically learn everything about yoga. I also met people from so many backgrounds which are from different age groups, but we were doing all the classes together for like 10 hours a day, every single day for 21 days. It was quite intense, but it was beautiful. Like, I'm very proud of myself of doing this course, and I would highly recommend anyone to, who is looking to do a yoga teacher training course to come here and experience this for yourself.